Hello, good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Boateng. This evening we are going to look at a nice song. In fact, it is a Highlife song from Nana Tabi. Sasa is a very simple and a very nice Highlife song from Nana Tabi. Sasa. The song used only 2 chords. So we are going to learn the chords and then the rhythm of that particular song. So stay tuned. Sasa uses 2 chords, a major F and then G minor. So in our sofa notations we are going to say do, re. So I want you to pick up your guitar. Let's do this activity. 1, 2, 3, go. Do. Let's go. Re. F major. G minor. Good. So knowing the F major already, F major skill, I hope you have learned it. If you have not learned F major skill, we have the F here, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, then F here. Okay, so moving downwards we have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Now we are going to play from this to this part using the E string and then the B string. Let's see. F, G, A, B flat, C. Okay, you can continue. D here, E is here, and then you have your F. Now if you move to the 6th fret on the B string, 6th fret on the B string, you have F. Then you can get your G here, you can get your A here, your B flat, and then your C. Also, you can also start from the 6th fret with your 3rd finger like this, F. Then your 1st finger continues with the G. Your 3rd finger comes here, and then your 4th finger comes here. Then it goes like that. It goes like that. Okay. For the purpose of this lesson, we are going to use this shape. Your 3rd finger on the F here, your 1st finger on the G here, then your 4th finger takes control here, like this. Okay. Okay. So we are going to concentrate here. To make it simple, let's play the do, the F with our 4th finger, and then the re with our 1st finger, then our 3rd finger plays the mi, then our 4th finger plays the fa. Good. The chord progression goes like this. Sazo, zazo, mami nekrono, zazo, yebesia siewie, sazo, ajakra nekrono, zazo, 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 zazo. Good. Like that. Find the song and then you listen. I'm just giving you a clue as to how it was played. Now, the rhythm sound very, very good, very, very nice. Like this. I have told you we are using the shape. So he plays. Okay. Mi, re, mi, do. Mi, re, mi, do. Mi. Okay. Do, la, so, re, fa. Let me take that part again. Mi, re, mi, do. Do, la, so, re, fa. Re, do, la. Re, do, la. So, la, do, mi. Look at me, listen, and then play. So with the rhythm, set your metronome, then 4/4 beat, you go. The best yes here, sa. You know, repetition is a key to a successful learning. So when you are learning something, try and play them repeatedly so that you can understand and then absorb everything at your long-term memory. Okay, so repeat. Let's repeat. Good. On this note, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then share the videos. Leave a comment at the comment section and let me hear from you. Let's get interacted. You can find my number on the screen. If you have any challenge, you can WhatsApp me so that we can discuss as how best we can assist you.